Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, heated and ventilated leather seats, dual pane sunroof, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with gold stitch. It's going to be out through the whole vehicle. You're going to have cup holder and paneling storage on the bottom. Also equipped with your rear liftgate controls, your seat memory, as well as a Bose speaker sound system. That'll come back up here. It's the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with your chrome handle. Both driver's seat and passenger heated and ventilated, powered. Driver adjustable lumbar, very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have ventilation and lighting controls. And onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel option, as well as your lane keep assist. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your speed, trip information, as well as oil life, tire pressure, air filter, and also Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and other vehicle settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have your climate control there as well with your heated and ventilated leather seats, your auto stop right above, and up onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple Carplay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. And you can also access your front, rear 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch camera and your mirror sides. Down below, you're going to have two USB ports, as well as an SD card reader, and as well as a wireless charging pad. You're going to have your park and your automatic park assist with your all-wheel drive selector. You're going to have the shifter, cup holder, park and brake, etc., as well as the center console with two extra USB ports. Passenger sides, also power adjustable. You're going to have that gold stitch throughout. As well, it's going to go across the dash. Speakers up top as well. You can access your OnStar services and your SOS, as well as your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels here. You're going to have the black mirror caps and the black paint match keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. As well as you're going to have the powered lift gate. Of course, you come in, you're going to have these all-weather mats with the seats foldable, the 60/40 split, lots of extra room, an extra 12-volt DC port with hooks, and as well as extra storage just under. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, it's going to be the same style, paneling and storage on the bottom. Speakers are on the bottom as well. Equipped up here is the power windows with the chrome handle. Hop in, you're going to have tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, with rear ventilation, rear heated seats, as well as two USB ports and an AC wall charger all the way on the bottom. Of course, right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. As we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, second row heated seating, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.